Hey guys, this is Martin for Tactile, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing of the GARMIN eTrax 30x. This is a little GPS tracking device. Let's get to it. Opening the box. So inside we have some paperwork. We have the GPS tracker itself. And we have a little no, this is actually mini USB cable. And some more paperwork, and that's about it. Let me show you the box. So on the front of the box we have the GARMIN. On the side it tells us information about the device itself. It says that it has a 2.2-inch display, 65,000 colors, it's a TFT display, high sensitivity, WAAS enabled, GPS receiver with GLONASS support. It has a 3-axis electronic compass and barometric altimeter, and it's preloaded with Garmin Topo Active West Europe maps. Of course you can purchase other maps as well, and it has 4 GB of internal memory, and it supports micro SD cards. It doesn't actually say what is the highest size of the SD card. Yeah, wireless sharing of routes, tracks, waypoints, and it supports paperless geocaching. And it has a rugged design, and it is also IPX7 water resistant. Okay, so this is actually the tracker itself. It's really small. It seems like it has a little attachment mechanism at the back. I think you unscrew it like this, and this is how you get to the batteries. It doesn't come with any batteries, unfortunately. These look like AA batteries to me. It should last a really long time. Taking off this cover off of the display, it has a little joystick. Actually, the joystick is at the top, so you hold it like this. On the side there is the on-off switch, a back button, up and down, and menu buttons. I also have here a cover for it. So let's take a look. This is from KW Mobile Company. And it goes like this. Nice and tidy, gives you a really nice grip and keeps the buttons nice and tactile. Hey guys, this is Martin for Tactile, and today we're taking a closer first look at the GARMIN eTrax 30x GPS tracker. Okay, so this is the tracker. As you can see, it's kind of small. It fits nicely into my hand. On the front side we have a little joystick. That's the only button we have on the front side, at the front. On the left hand side we have a little up and down toggle, and we also have the menu button, as you can see over here. On the right hand side we have the on-off switch, or the power button. It also says light over here, and we have the back button. There is nothing but the logo at the top. At the back we have the GARMIN name, and at the bottom we have a little hole where we can put a strap for the hand so that we don't lose it. Let me show you how you take out the battery. There we go. So you flip this side, and this is where the batteries go, and they both go like this. So not plus, oh yeah, sorry, actually plus goes down, so I had them the wrong way, and minus and up. And below the batteries there is your little space for the SD card, for the micro SD card. Here on the back side, under this rubber cover, is the mini USB. Alright, now let's take a look at the menu. So I'm going to power it on. It says Garmin. Alright. There we go. First it's going to ask us what language we want to use. I'm going to choose English. Confirm yes. Then we have maps, where to, mark waypoint, compass, trip computer, setup, elevation, plot, geocaches, photo viewer, waypoint manager, route planner, profile changer, active route, track manager, share wirelessly, calendar, sun and moon, area calculation, calculator, hunt and fish, stopwatch, alarm clock, sight and go, man overboard, proximity alarms, waypoint averaging, satellite, adventures, and verb remote. You can also move in the menu using the up and down buttons. When you press the menu button, you can change the order. When you press back, if you go someplace, this is how you go back to the main menu. And when you press the light, you can change the backlight up or down. It also shows you the battery status and the current GPS status. Alright guys, thank you for watching. This has been an unboxing of the Garmin eTrax 30x.